All right, kids, here we go. I'm going to try to narrate this whilst I fly, which means I'll probably fuck it up and crash. So here we go. MokaJJ 4S 850 milliamp with Cobra motors.
Take off.
Holy moly. That's crazy. It's like, wow. That's insane. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Wow, that's just, this is running Butterflight, but it's not dialed in yet. I got a little bit of prop wash on there. Wow. Wow. I keep forgetting I'm supposed to be talking. This thing's just insane. Just absolutely awesome. I'm in love. This is better than a big bird. Wow. I've never flown anything like this. I really haven't. It's this small. Battery's holding up great. This is a Tattoo, whatever, 4S 850. Should probably bring it in. I want to see if these motors are hot anyway.
Disarm motors.
Wow, let's see what these motors are like. That's just fucking stupid fast. Unbelievable. Motors are cool. Totally cool. Unbelievable. All right, guys, there you go. MokaJJ on fire. Talk later. Bye.
Bam, JJ.
Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ.
Hey, JJ. Hope you like fishing.